Oh, hello. Hello. I made the bottom part. Now I'm gonna make the handles. I'm gonna show you how I make the handles for this. It's not a vase. It's gonna be a huge mug because we have to have lemon juice in the morning. Okay, so I made this uh, clay like this. I rolled it, and now I'm gonna kind of like shape it. This is how I do it. I hold it and then I pull it like this. I think your hand needs to have like a lot of water in it. So it's gonna, be even. Now for this mug, since it's huge, I'm gonna make it a little thicker because usually I make the handles thinner. But this mug is absolutely huge, so I'm gonna have to. so you hold it like, ooh. So you feel like you're holding something substantial. All right. So I think this is good enough. I'm just gonna cut it like so. And okay, so this is how I kind of like do it. I need to dry my hands a little bit. Okay, so move it here. I have a little bit of slip here. And okay, so this is kind of like how I do it. I put it like that, and so I want to know where I'm going to put the handle, and so this is, and then I squirt. And like this.
Which tool you are using to do?
It's like a brush, but it's a metal brush, and I actually got it from Temo. It's very good. It doesn't bend so much. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut this, and I'm gonna do the same thing here. And, well, actually, no, that was a mistake because I want it to be, it's gonna be like this, like so. Then I want to see how much I want to cut. So let's just gonna cut this much. I think it's good enough. And, okay, so what I'm gonna take a little bit of that slip, put it here, put some here, then this is how I'm gonna glue it. Now, since sometimes I know exactly what I want to do, what kind of handle I want, stay, and sometimes I don't. So, but I know that I want it to be like that. Looks kind of messy, but it's really not. Okay, so, and then, why you go like this? Okay, so, I'm gonna put more slip here. Looks messy, but eventually it will be fine. So now I know where I want to place it. And now that I decided this is where I want it to be, then I can start working on it, tighten it. What do you think about the handle? Do you think it's too thick? I don't really know. I think it's fine. Just gonna make it a little bit smoother. Okay. Now that I know that it's, you see, then it's straight. Now I can start working on it. Can I take a sponge, make it smoother? No, I don't. It's very bulky, but I think it fits the size of the mug. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a fair size brush. Just to make it smooth. This is like where I can't reach. So I make it smooth here. And I make it smooth here. One time I made a cup that I thought it was good. I thought it was, I made a very nice mug. And then eventually, when I actually gave it to somebody, she had a birthday, somebody from work. And when I held it, I realized that here, it wasn't smooth. And I was like, oh my God, I didn't make it smooth. I smoothed everywhere. But where you actually hold it, I'm like, I neglected it, and I was like, oh, that's not nice. It was like, I did it. So from that point on, I decided I will not neglect any part of the process. And I will pay attention to the handle. Oh, what is this? So, say something. What do you say?
It looks good, but
It looks
it's
good.
huge.
Well, you wanted it to be huge. Now you're complaining that it's huge. So
We need
what
a
is it?
cupboard for 4 like these. We need.
Yeah. What do you want? It is what it is. You asked for it, you got it. So, I think I'm done. Bye. See you in the next video.